there, I'm Lori Guerin, a certified holistic wellness coach and the founder of LoriGuerin.com. I help women get healthy and lose weight so they can feel more confident and become the person they most want to be. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see the notes that I've written. Today I'm going to teach you how to start with intermittent fasting, even if you've never tried it before. So stay tuned for all the how-tos, the benefits, the insider tips and tricks to get you started fasting today. But first, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything and you get all the latest videos. Let's get started. Intermittent fasting, I don't know how familiar you are with it, but it's a technique that involves creating short periods of time where you don't eat anything to achieve your desired health and fitness goals. There are different reasons why people do intermittent fasting. A lot of people want to lose weight. They want to increase their metabolism. And the reason that I started with fasting is because I was having a lot of reactive hypoglycemia symptoms. They were pretty severe. My doctor recommended that I try fasting. And I have to say that I have been blown over by how effective it has been. It helped me lose 35 pounds effortlessly. And it completely eliminated the symptoms that I was having, the hypoglycemia symptoms that I was having. So that's why I'm a huge proponent of fasting. So let's get into this. Fasting isn't new, but many people are still unfamiliar with the concept of fasting. So it can be an incredibly effective way to lose weight and improve your health. Plus, it has the added benefit of being super simple and easy to do. That's one of my favorite things because I'm always looking for ways to simplify my life. So we're going to cover everything you need to know about fasting, including how it works and some tips on getting started so that fasting can become a sustainable lifestyle for you. You may hear a lot of people refer to fasting as a diet plan, but I like to think of it as more of a lifestyle. So first of all, what is intermittent fasting and how does it work? Like we said before, a lot of people call it a diet plan. I like to call it a lifestyle. It involves not eating anything for a specific period of time. That is what fasting is. Some people practice intermittent fasting by only eating dinner each day, for example, or maybe only eating lunch and dinner each day. You might also fast every day from 12 a.m. to 8 a.m., just as an example, or from noon to 8 p.m. Those are just some examples I just kind of threw out there. Other people choose to fast for 16 hours a day. This is a really popular time frame for fasting. In the fasting world, we call that the 16-8 because you're fasting or not eating food for 16 hours and you're eating all of your calories, all of your meals, all of your food within that 8-hour window of time. So that's why it's called a 16-8. When you look at a 24-hour day, there you go. I'm not a mathematician, but that's my best explanation. So if you do a 12-12 or a circadian rhythm fast, then you're fasting for 12 hours and you're feasting or you're eating all of your calories within that 12-hour period. It might sound crazy at first how this could actually be something healthy for your body, but it's actually a method that has been around for ages and it has wonderful benefits for your health. The beauty of fasting is that you get to decide when to eat and when to fast, and the timing is all up to you. So that's kind of the beauty of fasting, or one of the beautiful things about fasting that I love so much is that depending on the day, my mood, how I feel, I'm the one that gets to decide if I'm going to fast that day at all or if I'm not, and if so, how long I'm going to fast. So some of the benefits of intermittent fasting are pretty impressive. You might be considering fasting for a way to lose weight or even maintain your weight loss, and that's great too, but weight loss is more of a side effect than actually the goal of living the fasting lifestyle. So it's also great for people who are looking to boost their energy levels, increase their metabolism, lower stress, improve your brain function and mental clarity, get rid of toxins, improve your digestive health, and many more benefits. So, how do you do an intermittent fast? That's a great question. When you first try fasting, there are a few important things that you need to think about. First of all, you have to figure out how long your feeding window or your eating window is going to be. So your feeding window, some people call it your feasting window. This is the amount of time that you will spend eating foods in a day. It doesn't mean that you're going to be eating that whole time, but this is just a window of time where you'll be eating your meals and your food, your snacks, whatever you choose to eat or drink within that time period. So if you're just getting started with fasting, I personally recommend starting with the 12-hour fast, the circadian rhythm fasting method, because a lot of people find that they're already almost doing this anyway. For example, a way that you could do the circadian rhythm fasting is you could eat your dinner at 7 p.m. So your feeding window would be from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Your fasting window would be from when you finish that last meal of the day, your dinner, say 7 p.m., you would fast from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. And there's your 12 hours. So then when you wake up in the morning, you could go ahead and have a nutritious breakfast at 7 a.m. So to sum everything up, intermittent fasting is a lifestyle that is become really popular with people who want to lose weight and improve their overall health, even though fasting's been around for many, many years. The idea of skipping breakfast, lunch, or dinner each day might sound a little strange to some people, but it's actually great for your body, as you've learned here in this video about some of the benefits. The beauty of fasting is that you get to decide when you eat and when not to eat. You get to design your healthy intermittent fasting lifestyle plan to fit your lifestyle and to fit, your personal needs. Whatever you do, you can choose what intermittent fasting approach and time frame works best for you. Thanks so much for watching today. If you have any questions, I would love it if you would just leave me a comment below, and I will be sure and respond to your questions and your comments. So have a great day. Until next time.